Okay, so this is the totally the Belgium. Belgium is one of the small country in the Euro. Okay, and Belgium. So this is totally Belgium. On the top side, that is in the northern side of Belgium. So there are three communities are there in the Belgium. So on the northern side here you can see the yellow color. So yellow color indicates the Dutch people. So the Dutch speaking. So they are the Dutch people. So Dutch speaking. Okay. Next to the southern side, that is the red color indicates the that is a French. So the people are speaking this French. Okay, French speaking is there. And here we can see this one. This is the capital city. So capital city nothing but the Brussels. Okay, Brussels is there. Brussels, we can call this as a Brussels or Brussels. So again here in the eastern side, so this part is having the German. We can call them as the, so that is a German speaking people. Okay, and see here. Okay, this is the total position of this Brussels. Now when the elections are conducted, so here when the elections are conducted, what will happen means always, okay, of course here the French speaking peoples are majority is there when compared to this the Dutch people. So here Dutch is there. Okay, Dutch, and this one is so this color indicates the French speaking people. And next one here only this part. So this part is the German speaking people. Germany was there. So Germany speaking peoples are there. Okay. Next to come to the capital city. In the capital city, of course, here the picture is just some. It was like this. In the capital city, so 70% are French speaking people. Next, remaining 30%, 29% are the Dutch speaking persons are there. So the Dutch speaking population. Okay, this is the position in the city, that is the capital city of this Brussels. And Brussels was present in the northern part of this Dutch speaking people. Okay, follow this carefully. So in this place, total it was Dutch people, and this was French people, and this is German people. But within this capital city, so 70% are French speaking peoples are there, and remaining 30%, so nearly 29% are Dutch speaking. Second majority is Dutch speaking was there. But though it was present in Dutch speaking people area, but more peoples are speaking only this French. So here when elections are conducted, what will happen means, so this is whenever elections are conducted, so elections, then what will happen means, always in the capital city, the French speaking peoples are getting majority, and the Dutch speaking peoples are coming to minority. Then what will happen means, so there will be some difference will be there. So some difference will be there. That means in the power sharing, so political power, example, some presidents and prime ministers will be there. So example think that, so this may be for example, if you conduct the elections. So actually the elections are conducted here in the year 1940s. In the year 1940s, so just always these French speaking peoples are getting a majority throughout this that is Belgium. Of course, the second majority is the Dutch speaking people. Now here there is a difference was there. So always the president who is elected, that person always belongs to the French. And Dutch speaking people, they felt that, so throughout the year, so however throughout not only years, so throughout the years, always they will get these French people majority. So that's why they started one revolution. Dutch speaking people started revolution. Okay, that is called as a power sharing. So the power should be shared. Power should be shared. So how should be shared? Means equal power must be given for both regions. That is the demand of this Bruce. That is the Dutch speaking people. Then, however, finally, the French, as the president belongs to the French, that is the French speaking, they did not accept it for this. Okay, power sharing. Then finally it has lead to the civil war. So civil war was started. Okay, civil war was started between the Dutch speaking and the French speaking people. That is population. And not only this one, even this capital city was there. That is Brussels. This city is having majority peoples are French, but they are very far away from this French area. And Dutch peoples are minority, the second place in the city, that is the Brussels or Brussels. So this is the finally this conflict has finally they started the asking for power sharing. Then French people did not agree for that, as the president belongs to here. Then what happened means, so finally the civil war was started, and the civil war was continued for nearly 5 years, 5 to 6 years. 5 to 6 years, this French was the civil war was started in the Brussels. Finally, this world, that is the rest of the world, the European countries and the European Union, which is guarding total Europe, that is you can call this as EU, European Union. So they are guiding this Brussels, but for making this peace between the communities. So here actually two communities are there. They want to be peace, but finally the war was started, and many peoples, even Dutch peoples, are attacking the government offices of this French, and French peoples are forming the government. So they are in the government position. So this has led to a lot of mass of war, that is civil war. So civil war is nothing but, so we know that civil war. Okay, civil war means just the war between, so the war between two communities. So two communities within country, within one country only. They are not fighting with other countries, just only within one country. So that is called as the civil war. You can call this as the civil war. And finally, these European peoples, the European countries, they felt that the Brussels may be divided into two countries due to this civil war. And all peoples like that they felt, but still the European countries, they are trying to compromise each other, but they did not compromise. But later, after a lot of peoples are died at the government side of French and at the common people of this Dutch. So finally, in the year 1970s, by the year 19, it is by the year 1960s. So here we can call this as the 1960s. By the year 1960s, so the French and Dutch, they came to an agreement. That is, it is called as agreement. Okay, that agreement is called as power sharing. That is power sharing. That is a political power sharing. Here, political power sharing. So what is the agreements? Finally, they are prepared. So here some of the movement was started, but there will be some leaders. The movement leaders will be there. Revolutionary movements. When the movement was happening, some leaders will be there for them. So through that leaders, so this French and also the Dutch people, that is the leaders, came forward for an agreement. That agreement is called as power sharing. That is political power sharing. Next, how the power was shared. means, so for every year, so for every alternate 5 years, so first of all they started that the president position, so there will be some president for the Brussels. The president must be, position must be given for French, and next prime minister will be there, PM will be there. The PM post must be given for Dutch always. And then, so this is continued. So like this, the not only this one, not only this president and prime minister, even some of the other, so many posters like speakers, okay, we can see the general assembly speakers. So we are calling in our country as the parliament, but in this Brussels they will call this as General Assembly, GA. So General Assembly, like parliament in our country. In that General Assembly, some speakers will be there, but the highest authority is for president, and the second highest authority is the prime minister. But in our country, if you take in our country India, so this president is having less powers when compared to prime minister. But in the time of emergency in our country, president will get all the powers and prime ministers will be dissolved. So that is the position of our country. But here in this Brussels, so always this we can see these European countries, mainly they will be following the presidents. Okay, presidents is having the highest rule, highest authority in the society, like French president, Turkey president, Italy president, like that. So they will be having the primary powers. So like this, they made an agreement. So we are discussing only on the top positions, that is the president and prime minister. But here at the lower levels also, for each and every, at the even these local levels like districts, local, they are called as the locals. Okay, local areas. So at that time, at that places also they shared the power. But this is continued for, so when this agreement was made, then the conflict was totally stopped in the throughout the country. Not only here, even this capital city also the same. In the capital city, as the majority peoples of the French, so they are giving the uh, so example in the president, when the total country is under control of this president, but every state, in the small states, there will be some governors like America. So these governors position also shared equally. Okay, so it is coming that the meeting will end in the 10 minutes. Okay, okay, see here. So okay, like the local levels also, this power was shared. So when these agreements are made, then the conflict, the civil war was stopped. Civil war was stopped. But here again in the 1960s, in the 1960s, lot of reforms are done in the constitution of this Belgium. Okay, what are the reforms means? Instead of giving permanently, that is the president position for French, and permanently the prime minister position for this Dutch people, so they have, once again they have modified. That means so many reforms are taken. In that modification, what is there means, for every alternate consecutive years, so that is called as alternate consecutive years, they will be changing. Suppose here, first 5 years, the president of this total Brussels, that is, or this Belgium, is the president, that is French. Okay, the president of this total Belgium is the French person, means next coming 5 years will be the president of this Dutch people. Again after 5 years, next the president will be from French, and next again the Dutch, like that. In the same way, here also the capital city also is there. So like that, the power sharing was there. But later again that, so this also modified in the year 1970s. But this was continued for only some years. Again, this may be okay. This was continued for some years, but by the year 1980s, this was completely changed. What is that means? So the people who is having the power, having the majority in the country, either Dutch or French, they will be getting the power. Okay, so in this way, the power was shared. So see here, okay, in this way the power was shared, and finally the Belgium was protected from division. Actually, the tensions are happening that the Belgium will be divided into two parts. Okay, so in this way, the Belgium was protected, and finally the power was shared equally. But what about these German-speaking people? So German-speaking peoples are same. They are made neutral. They are not having any powers, as they are considered as the migrants. So many peoples are migrated from Germany to the Belgium in the time of this Second World War. When the Second World War was there, so at the time many Germans, some of the peoples, as it is very near to the Germany, so many peoples are migrated. So that's why they did not given that much of powers. Okay, so this is about this the French, sorry, Belgium, very small country, Belgium. Okay, so I think you got this power. That means you might have understood from this one. So